How to start trading. Starting your trading journey can feel overwhelming, but it's a process that becomes manageable when broken down into clear, logical steps. The key is to prioritize education and risk management over the pursuit of quick profits. Let's start for Start Trading step-by-step guideline. Number 1. Master the fundamentals. To start trading, you need to know how many markets exist in the world where trading can be done. There are many markets, but the major markets among them are the stock, forex, and crypto market. Understand different markets, stocks, forex, how orders work, and what drives prices before risking capital. Number 2, define your trading style. Choose an approach, example day, swing, position trading, that fits your personality, risk tolerance, and available time. Number 3, learn key analysis methods. Study technical analysis, charts and patterns, to time entries and exits, and fundamental analysis to gauge an asset's health or value.
Number 4, create a trading plan. Write down clear rules for trade entry, exit, risk per trade, and position size to remove emotion from decision-making. Number 5, choose a broker and practice. Select a regulated, beginner-friendly broker and open a demo account to test your plan with virtual money for at least 1 to 3 months. Number 6, start with small, real money. Fund a live account with money you can afford to lose. Use micro or nano accounts to trade tiny sizes, focusing on process, not profit. And number 7, review and continuously learn. Keep a trading journal to track your trades and emotions. Review it weekly to learn from mistakes and refine your strategy. Starting to trade is a marathon, not a sprint. Your first goal shouldn't be to make money, but to learn how not to lose it. By focusing on education, practicing diligently, and managing risk carefully, you build the foundation for potentially consistent results in the long run.